The grounds for divorce in Washington really are simple. It's your marriage is irretrievably broken. Washington is a no-fault state, so we don't have to do anything to prove up fault or even any kind of incident that actually made it irretrievably broken. So it just is one person coming in saying, my marriage is irretrievably broken. And that is the grounds for a divorce in Washington. When people come to our office, to discuss and do a consultation for divorce, there's a myriad of reasons why. Things like, infidelity. A lot of times it's the disconnect between what is happening in the home. I believe that there is so much between men and women and what is going on, and people do not understand all the drama that's occurring with women carrying all the load of things and men feeling like they're doing all this work outside. So there's so many things that can bring you into our office. No matter what it is, always call, because we can help you, whether it's find resources or maybe a divorce is right. In Washington, assets are divided equitably. So the court, we're a community property state. So a lot of people in general think, everything's going to be divided 50-50. It'd be nice if that was always the case. There's a lot of factors that come in. The court looks to the value of your separate property, community property. It's something you really do want to discuss with an attorney because there's a lot of factors that go into asset division. In Washington, we refer to spousal maintenance, and a lot of people at least think of it as alimony. But spousal maintenance, again, is an equitable principle, and the court looks to a variety of factors, things like whether a spouse has a need, whether the other spouse might have an ability to pay, the financial life of the family before the divorce, the assets involved. So there's a variety of things, and spousal maintenance is often utilized and provided for in court, but not always. And again, one factor that's super interesting is the duration of your marriage. And so spousal maintenance is different depending on if you have a short-term marriage, mid-term, or long-term. In Washington, when we think of children and going through divorce, we talk about what's called residential time. And so we create parenting plans that divide the residential time for the children. And so we look to the best interest factors. And in fact, the best interest of the child is what guides the court in all that they do. And so there are things that, we address in the parenting plan, all types of scheduling things, holiday schedules, vacations, school schedules, and depending on the age of your child. So a parenting plan is a very complex document, and it's an important part of your Washington divorce. If you have any questions about any of the topics I've talked about, please reach out to Elise Bowie Family Law, where your family's future is our first priority.